Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I might have bought a doll. I said I wasn't going to, but have you ever been to Let's Talk About It with Jaime's Lives, where she's showing you a preview of what she's going to sell on eBay? If you have not been, watch for them. It's a bit dangerous because you can claim things before they go out, and I did. I actually didn't hit the live. I watched it after, which I do sometimes if I can't make the live. I love these dolls, and she had one, and I bought it. So let's see what I got and how she looks. Thank you, Jaime. Okay, she's taped up here. I say I'm not buying dolls, but wait till you see what the mailman's bringing. But that's different. They're Blythe. And I have a reason for each one. That's my new thing. When I buy a doll, I have to either really want that particular doll or that kind of doll, or have a purpose for them, like a collab or a gift or face up. We're going to start selling some Blythe with face ups. They'll also come with clothing and stand, the whole bit. This doll, my reason was, I'm not seeing too many of them anymore, and I really like them. Okay. She is pretty loose in the hips, but she is, oh gosh, I love these dolls. This is a Shiba Juku doll, and I love them. Yep, she's pretty loose. Well, I don't know, it's funny. But these dolls are getting harder to find. I know that Jaime cleaned this doll up, washed its hair, so that's a real plus. If you're looking at Jaime's dolls as compared to other people's, Jaime cleans them before they go out. The articulation on these dolls is super. They can ride a horse. That's important at my house. I mount a lot of my dolls. They bend at the knee, and then the knee turns. So you can stand them, you know, pigeon-toed, or what did they used to call it going the other direction? I can't remember. Pigeon-toed, or can't remember. And the arms go up and around. They're ball jointed. The elbow bends, the hands bend and turn, and the head turns. I'm just trying to say, no, it doesn't go. I thought it went up and down, but look at her eyes. If you watch my channel, you know Darren and I love the bi-eye. We've had many animals with bi-eyes. We have seen more people than you'd think that actually have bi-eyes. But look at this hair. Jaime, that's a cute little hairstyle. I think I'm going to leave it like that for a while, and I'm going to get her some clothes made. Thank you so much, Jaime, and thank you for watching. Again, if you have not gone to Jaime's Lives, where she gives a preview on the items that she sells for eBay, you might contact her and find out when her next one is. I got a good deal on this doll, and I am glad I bought her. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.